At the end of the day, we're going to take and have to secure the wall. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the carabiners off and put our locks back on. What this does is each one of these carabiners are fairly expensive, and of course we wouldn't want to lose them. So that's what we're going to do first. Again, be careful as you do it. As you pull down and take the carabiner off, that you do not let go, because if you do, it will go to the top. Now these carabiners are a tool, so you don't want to just throw them down and smash them down, those kind of things. You want to take care of them. So lay them down gently, get your lock, and lock it all up.